of us know light? Well, there is light in the house, is that? Okay. So scientists have been able to measure the speed of light. So light actually has a speed. It's been measured. Okay. Now, how many of us drove to church this morning? Show of hands. Okay. Can somebody tell me what is the highest speed you've driven in your car? I know the speedometer kind of says you can drive up to 100, 160, 180. But, yeah. So what is the highest speed you've driven? Pardon? 130. Where were you hurrying to? Anybody else? What's the highest speed? You've driven 160. Well, praise God for your life. You were saved. Okay. So now, the speed you drove is 160 kilometers per hour. Okay. So what it means is, after every hour, the car would have covered a distance for 160 kilometers. Okay. So it means that after 2 hours, what distance will the car have covered? 320. Let's use 100 because it's simpler. So I'm not very good in maths. So let's say 100 kilometers per hour. After 2 hours, 200 kilometers. After 3 hours, very good. So speed is actually the distance you are able to cover with respect to time. So scientists have carefully measured light. So when Bible says that God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Light has a speed. Can you guess what the speed of light is? Speed of light is, are you ready? You sure? It's 300,000 kilometers per second. Think about that for a minute. The speed of is 300,000 kilometers per second. So, it's covered a distance of 300,000 kilometers. 600,000 kilometers. It's 900,000 kilometers. I'll put it in perspective. The Earth has a circumference. So the entire circumference, the distance of the entire Earth, has been measured. And it's 40,000 kilometers. So it means that when the Bible says, and God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. If light is moving at 300,000 kilometers per second, it means that light went around the entire Earth, listen, 7.5 times in a second. Now, I believe the God who made light is faster than light. Okay? And that is the reason why he's omnipresent. So he can be everywhere at the same time. If he's covering the entire planet 7.5 times every second. That's the God we worship. Okay? It makes you appreciate God in a different way and think about him differently. So when you make an excuse about God or respect to God, it's probably because you haven't fully understood the God we are talking about.